If you focus on what you don't have, you will never be able to be contented and grateful. Even the Buddha said that the highest wealth is contentment or gratitude, whatever you want to call it. So when you do focus on what you have and be grateful for that, obviously you can actually be happier, be more mindful of what you have, and attract more of that goodness in your life. So avoid at all costs complaining and seeing the lack in your life. By all means, actually feel what you do have and appreciate what you already have and see how your life changes for the better. Gratitude is amazing not only because you can manifest greater things in your life, and I'm not only talking about material things and better relationships and circumstances and events, it also makes you a better person. You are able to see the good in others instead of always focusing on everything that is bad about that. But more importantly, you can see the good in yourself and encouraging, because you do not fight the bad you have inside of you. You encourage the good, and by virtue of actually being grateful for the good that is in you, it will grow and grow and grow, and you have more of that goodness you see inside of you and less of this more unwholesome and negative you have inside of you. So gratitude works on all fronts. If you want the quickest, the surest way to more happiness, more joy for you in your life, you need to try out gratitude. But you need to practice it consistently. You cannot read a quote, try it out for a day, and expect everything to be better. No, it does take time, commitment over time for you to reap the benefits, but it's all worth it. But you need to put some effort in it. The more you are grateful, the more you can stay focused on what is here and now. Because you can only practice gratitude by being present. And not only are you more present when you are grateful, that's the amazing part. You can also be grateful for the present moment. And that, my friend, is everything you need for a better life. The more you practice gratitude, the more you can see the good in yourself, in others, in circumstances, in events, in the world you live in the life you live, in the air you breathe, in the people you encounter, in everything. So obviously, you become a better manifester when you are grateful, but it's in all areas of your life. Even in your health, there have been studies that showed that the more loving, the more compassionate, the more grateful you are, the healthier you become. The more you smile, the more your body reacts to all that good stuff in your nervous system. So don't forget that gratitude works in bettering all aspects of your life.